In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Sketchup file to AutoCAD. If you are sharing your Sketchup work with someone using AutoCAD, or you want clean 2D line work for documentation, this process will give you a reliable DWG or DXF straight from your current view. First, open Sketchup and load the model you want to export. Take a moment to make sure the scene you are looking at represents exactly what you want to send out. The 2D export captures what you see on screen, so anything visible in the view is what you'll get. Next, prepare the view. Go to Camera. Choose Parallel Projection and then pick a standard view such as top, front, right, or left. Parallel projection is important because it removes perspective distortion, which means your geometry stays true to size and aligns properly when brought into CAD. A standard view helps create a clear plan or elevation-style drawing without skewed lines, which is what most CAD workflows expect. Now you are ready to export. Head to File, then Export, and choose 2D Graphic. This route creates a flat, vector-based snapshot of your current view rather than a full 3D model. It's ideal for drafting backgrounds, elevations, floor plans, and line work that will be edited or annotated in AutoCAD. In the Save dialog, set the file type. Open the Save as Type dropdown and choose either AutoCAD DWG file, .dwg or DXF. DWG is the native AutoCAD format and is typically preferred. DXF is a great alternative when you need broader compatibility with different CAD applications or older workflows. Before saving, click Options. Here, set the scale 1. 1 is a common choice when you want SketchUp units to translate directly to AutoCAD units. For example, 1 inch or 1 millimeter in SketchUp will equal 1 in AutoCAD at a 1. 1 Export. Also select the AutoCAD version that matches your target environment. Choosing an older version can improve compatibility if you are not sure what the recipient can open. These two settings, scale and AutoCAD version, help ensure the drawing comes in at the right size and opens smoothly. Once your options look good, click Export. Pick a clear file name and a location you'll remember. And SketchUp will generate the DWG or DXF based on your current view. Your file is now ready to use in AutoCAD or to share with collaborators. That's it. Thanks for watching.